welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm back with another video for y'all. Guys, if you're not already subscribed to my second channel, click that link in the description below, it's gonna take you over to it, and I want you to smash that subscribe button for me. And also, as you can see in the title, you already know what this video is gonna be about. It is the No Knot Method 2.0. Before we get started with this video, I want y'all to know that I did not invent this method, so don't start going crazy in the comments talking about some old give credit, bro. I don't care, alright? I'm just teaching y'all what I know, okay? Like, I see it, I do it, and I teach it. Like, I don't gotta give credit, to be honest, you feel me? If you don't wanna, if you think that I'm just stealing somebody else's method and giving it to y'all, then yo, just unsubscribe to my channel and go subscribe to somebody else, you feel me? Because this is my knowledge, This is my wave knowledge that I've learned over the years that I've been waving, and I'm giving it to my subscribers, you feel me? So if you feel like I'm not fair, you feel me, just unsubscribe. Bye-bye. Without further ado, guys, let's get into this video.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it. Hey.
Alright, y'all, so welcome back. Before we start this method, I'm gonna show y'all what do-rag I'm gonna be using, okay? I'm gonna be using this silk do-rag, alright? This is the do-rag that you need to use for this method because it has a long strap, alright? And this strap is gonna wrap all around your head to give you that compression that you need for your hair to be super laid and for the do-rag to be tight on your head and not come off, alright? So if you guys want this velvet do-rag, on 26kingwavymerch.com and shop your velvet do-rag. Or you could just click down on the link in my description and it's gonna take you right over. And don't forget to use my discount code 360juice26 to get 26% off. Alright, so let's start. Come on, right? You want to take your velvet do-rag. I'm not going to take this off because, I just came from working out and I'm a little sweaty. My hair is not fully dried yet, so I'm going to just leave this on. So take your do-rag, your 26 King Wavy do-rag, and just go over, feel me? Now, what you want to do, you want to do it regularly, just like how you do when you're tying your do-rag. Like, just start off regular, okay? So it's gonna look like this, all right? Now when you come over, I usually put this in my mouth, but you don't have to. But this how I do it. Now with this one, the first wrap around your head, you want to put that under, okay? You want to lift this strap up, you lift it up and just put this under it. Alright? Now, it's sealed. Now take this one, you see it? Now you just want to go around the other side. Go around the other side. See, it says 26 King Wavy. And I like this because the straps are very long. Like the first no knot method that I did, the straps were really short so it wouldn't go all the way around to where I could actually really get a snug fit and so it could be really tight on your head. So this is way better and that's why it's new and improved. Okay, so you go all the way around your head. Alright. Dang. All the way around your head. Make sure it's tight, make sure it's not hurting as much, but make sure it's like a good fit. Alright. Now, the first one you want under, now this one you want to go on top. Alright. So you want to get the strap, and you just want to put it in here. Now with this method, you feel me? The new and improved method, you don't have to double compress. I remember the first video I said that it wasn't as tight and you wouldn't have to double compress, but this one, you really don't have to double compress because it is super tight right now and it's hurting my head. Usually when I do this, I don't have to put any other do-rags on or any other do-rags under it. So this is why this is a better way to do the no knot method. A velvet do-rag from 26 King Wavy, the straps are way longer, it helps and it's way better for the no knot method. Alright, you guys, that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. It should be over here somewhere. But y'all, yeah man, we out of here. Peace.